सावधान ब्रह्मनाद ओ शांति 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 स्वस्थ. Today we will discuss some related words of the chapter Festivals of Northeast India. Let's see these questions. He derives great satisfaction from this stamp. Here the word is given collect. Fill in the blank with related word to collect. When you use an appropriate related word, you should think about and understand the question first. He derives great satisfaction from his stamp dash collect. Here, stamp is a noun. Sometimes you would watch both nouns. Stamp, the related word of collect is collection. So, stamp collection, the answer. Let's see the second question. We all bear dash collect responsibility for this decision. Responsibility is here there. Is verb we all bear. After the word collection, responsibility is there. This is a noun. Responsibility is a noun form. Before noun, we should use an adjective. So the now adjective form of collect is collective. We all bear collective responsibility for this decision. Next question. The cabinet is dash collect responsible for the policy. Here, same word collect is there. The cabinet is verb. So the word here that definitely modify it. The word which modifies the verb in adverb. So the cabinet is collectively responsible for the policy. In this way, we got the answer. Let's see another question. I was elected to dash the people of Odisha. Here, the word is representation given. I was elected to. Was elected. This is finite verb. So after to, we should use non-finite verb. The verb form of representation is represent. The answer, I was elected to represent the people of Odisha. So you should use verb of representation is represent. Another question, the painting is a dash represent of a storm at sea. The painting is a dash. A is an article and here represent. Generally, a noun form is used after article. So, the noun form of represent is representation. The answer is representation. We got the answer. Another question, I sent my dash to the meeting. Here, represent is also there. I sent my represents appropriate word here is representative. Representative. In the sense of noun. I sent my representative to the meeting. So same word represent, but here represent, here representation, here representative. You got the answer. Let's take some more examples. They had the right to dash administration their own internal affairs. Here also had main bar right to 2 plus infinite, 2 plus bar which is taken. So the administration is bar which administrate. Administrate. The college loses a lot of money through poor dash. Poor is adjective. Generally after adjective noun is taken. So the noun form administrate is administration. Question number 9. I spend a lot of my time on dash duties. Here duties is noun. Before noun, an adjective text are taken. So the adjective form of administrative is administrative. Administrative. Same word administrate, where administrate bar, second question administration noun, third question administrative adjective. In this way, this is used. Let's another question. The city's success owes much to its dash position. Here, the city's success owes much to its dash position. Position is a noun. You know position, noun form. Before noun, what is used? An adjective. So the adjective form of geography is geographic. So you should write geographic. The city's success owes much to its geographic position. Next question. We also looked for a dash spread of writers. Here is the spread of writers. This is a noun. Geography is also another adjective, appropriate, that is geographical. Here, Sikkim is dash geography, not contiguous part of Northeast India. Here is there. In the last question also first verb. After verb, it modifies the verb. So that is adverb. The adverb of geography is geographically. You got the answer. So here two adjectives and one adverb in 3 sentences. In this way, we have to practice all questions.